Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you being here. I am Chris German. Most people call me Deep, and today we're talking about 10 free tools you should be using for your Twitch channel. These are just a bunch of applications I wish I knew when I first started out. Now, this first free tool we're going to be talking about is called GIFbot. GIFbot is an interactive bot for Twitch that lets you play animations and videos to bring fun interactions to your community. So, of course, there is a free download. Basically, it listens to chat commands that you input or that your viewers input, and it can trigger video animations and GIFs. I use this for a specific animation using stream avatars, where I basically input a command, and this animation starts where my viewers get dropped down and then they fight against each other to the last man standing. There's a whole bunch of different things you can do. That's just what I do, but there's a whole lot more when it comes to GIFbot. Easily integrates into Streamlabs if you use Streamlabs. If you want to know how I made that animation, let me know in the comments and I'll get it to you. The next application we're going to go over is called FYRE. Now, FYRE is a super powerful tool and it integrates easily into Twitch channel points. Taking a look on FYRE, you have a whole lot of options. For the images, you can add an image and have it play on your stream, and you can attach a sound to that. And then of course, you can add it as a channel point redemption. You can add MP4 files for the videos for your viewers to interact with. Sounds are the same thing. It's just a sound that plays onto your stream. And then with this OBS tab, this allows your viewers to control your OBS using channel points. So utilizing FYRE, I have channel points that activate memes kind of like this.
Alexa, show me my baby. Okay.
Using channel
There
points
she is.
to spawn memes. Pretty cool stuff you can do. I also let my viewers control my webcam using these channel points, so it makes it a more interactive stream and more fun to watch. And then on this last tab is groups. Basically, you can group a whole bunch of channel point redemptions into one category. So when viewers activate this on your channel, it'll be a random event that happens. So for instance, I have different versions of this channel point redemption that people can use. Using groups on FYRE allows me to have either my face, a cat, or a dog, or maybe the cat and dog combined. It's all random based on the percentages that I put in for that group. So FYRE is a super powerful program to get more interactivity on your stream for free. Now, this next application is called Snap Camera. This basically allows you to put filters onto your face. Now, Snap Cam can add a whole another level to your stream by adding simple filters. So you can see I have some favorites over here. Just added some sunglasses, mirror effects, anime zoom, and you can even do face tracking as well, which is pretty cool to do live on your stream. There are thousands of different filters to choose from, so you could get lost, but there are some pretty cool ones to find. Now, next on the list is STREAMLADDER. STREAMLADDER allows you to take your Twitch clips and format them in portrait format. So you can download your content to TikTok, IG Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This is a quick and easy way to get your best Twitch clips onto social media so you can get all those viewers coming in. STREAMLADDER is pretty simple to use. You can log in with your Twitch, authorize it, and then you can select this button right here to select your clip. You can hit the continue button, and then you have a few templates to choose from. Now, there are some premium options, but there are also free ones. Probably the most used one will be this one. So we can select this template. We're going to select our face cam area to crop out. Go ahead and align. We'll go ahead and pick that out right there, and then we'll hit accept. And then you can choose the area in which you want your gameplay to be captured. We'll center that. We'll press accept, and then here's a preview of what it will look like once it's done. After that, you just hit finish and it'll download. And at the end, you have the choice to download this onto your computer and then transfer it to your phone, or you can just send it to your phone automatically. STREAMLADDER is an effective tool if you really don't have an editing program to edit your videos with, or you just don't have the time to. The fifth free tool we're going to talk about for Twitch today is KAPPAMON. This is a pretty cool mascot for your stream. So if we go ahead and look at the marketplace, there's a whole bunch of different KAPPAMON we can choose from, and they do have 3 free options. So you got the gingerbread man, bride bee. If you go to the second page, there is a kitty for you to use. Each one has these animations that you can use on stream. Of course, you can pay to change colors if that's what you want, but these animations coincide with the commands. So during specific events, they activate certain commands in which you choose. So if somebody resubs, you can edit this out, and instead of dancing, you can have it greet, gift, eat, whatever you want to do. This is a great free tool to add to your stream if you're looking for some cool animated characters. And scrolling deeper into the categories, there's also the reindeer, the cat, Kappabot, shooter, Cupid. You have a whole bunch of free options for your mascot. Next up, we're going to be talking about STREAMELEMENTS. Now, I stream on OBS, so STREAMELEMENTS combines directly with that program, and I use it to create the overlays that I have. STREAMELEMENTS has an awesome Discord with creators creating different overlays for you to input onto your stream as browser sources. So all the sources that you're seeing right now, the clock widget, subscriber goal, and the chat words on top, they're all from STREAMELEMENTS. I even have a social media pop-up that I installed from STREAMELEMENTS. So I made a video, green screened it, and put it on there as well, so it rotates throughout when I'm streaming, which makes it super convenient. So I don't have to do it in chat. It just pops up on screen, super clean and super nice. So Stream Elements is a great add-on to any stream. Overlay editor is nice and intuitive as well, and easy once you know what's going on. So I definitely recommend hitting up Stream Elements as well. Next is a site called PUBNUB. This will let you add subtitles to your Twitch, but with a customized clean look. So you have different options you can choose from depending on how you want your stream. It's super easy to add as a browser source. Some people don't have the option of listening to the audio, so reading is the next best choice. This is a great add-on if that's something you're looking to add. All right, this next one is one of my favorites. It's called Twitch Guru. There is a paywall behind some of these features, which is unfortunate, but the free tools are super powerful as well. So if we click onto this random clip player, you enter your channel name, it generates random Twitch clips from your Twitch channel. For example, I use this on my Be Right Back screen. So if I'm on a bathroom break or getting something to eat, my viewers have something to watch and keep them entertained from the clips that they clipped, which is super convenient. Next out, we have a shout out player you can add to your stream as well. So an example of this, if I type in Command SO @ we use Deep Voice Man for me, we will see a shout out appear on stream. We have a simple shout out that appears. A random clip from that Twitch channel will appear as a shout out on your channel. I haven't got a chance to check out the sub tools, but if you do, I would love to know if it's worth it. The next one I don't think many people know about as well is called Pixel Chat. Pixel Chat has a whole bunch of features as well. It has a Spotify enabled now playing, so people know what music you're playing. It has another shout out player, which was the picture on that last shout out. You can add a gold bar. You can add a chat. Looking at the overlays, of course, a chat, a shout out player, the simple shout out player. You can add captions here too. You can have emotes show up on the stream. You can enable a timer or even add alerts from this website. So there's a lot of tools at your disposal here. You can dig through here and see which ones that you like. Now, this last one is specifically for OBS Studio, and this is the OBS plugins website. This website is so powerful in making your stream next level. Plugins like Stream Effects allow you to do so many things. It can allow you to transform your camera to look kind of 3D. You can add blurs to your sources and different shaders. Another one that's pretty good is this Move Transition plugin, which is how I get my camera to move smoothly on the screen like this. There are hundreds of plugins for you to explore, and if you really want to take your stream to the next level, this is where to find it. Woo! Now that's it for the top 10 free tools you should be using for your Twitch right now. If there are some tools that didn't make it in this list but you know about, leave them down in the comments so I can check them out. To help other streamers learn about these tools as well, liking this video will tell YouTube that it's deep enough. Also, if you don't want to miss out on more Twitch tips, make sure to hit the sub button so you don't miss a beat. If you do have any questions about any of these plugins, feel free to leave it down in the comments, and I do live stream on Twitch, so you can always join me and ask there. Until next time, we'll see ya.